Welcome back, everyone. We received another box from FridayParts.com. Go ahead and open it. They packed it extremely well. A lot of tape. Okay, we got that little box. That little box. We got that little box. We got that. Got more foam. We got that little box. Car battery tester. So there it is right there. I got this for the bones. We'll go ahead and get that installed up on the tractor. So here's that hitch plate. We'll talk about this. These are all fuel filters. So yeah. So basically, I'll drill holes. Probably have to take that bolt out and drill through there. But I'll drill that, and I can mount this to the Odyssey, and then it'll have a hitch. So that's very nice. I'm bringing you guys back, and we'll get that steering wheel knob mounted on the tractor. Last steering wheel knob on here, which is still on here. I gotta take it off. When it get tight enough, and it was turning when you're using it, and it is extremely annoying. Oh yeah,